Hey guys, my name's Dell. I work here at Superior Chevrolet GMC of Siloam Springs, Arkansas. Today we're going to be talking about the Chevrolet 1500 Trail Boss. So this particular truck here has LED headlights, the LT model does. If you go with the custom Trail Boss, you're going to get halogen headlights. So that is definitely an upgrade feature for the LT model in the Trail Boss package. What stands out to me about this particular truck is that it does come lifted from the manufacturer with the 2-inch level kit and the Rancho shocks. Also, the Z71 stands out as far as the badging. To move on to the back of this particular truck here, this is a standard short box with a spray-in bed liner from the manufacturer. You do have your 120 volt plug-in right here in the back. So you are more than capable of working outside whatever you might need to plug into your 120 volt 400 watt max. So I'm going to lift this tailgate up here and show you what's on the underneath side. Right here, as you can see, you do have 3 hookups here. 2 are for your cameras, one's for the inside, one's for the outside, and right here is for your trailer lights. And then as you can see here, you can put a tow hitch. You can tow up to 9,200 pounds conventional towing with your tow hitch. And your gooseneck, you're going to be able to tow up to 8,200 pounds for your horse trailers, stock trailers, lawnmower trailers, whatever the case might be. Come on, follow me this way, guys. As we hop in here, let's take a look at what we got on the inside. So in this particular LT model, you do get the center console versus the bench seat in the custom Trail Boss. So you do have your max towing, which is your trailer brake option here. You have you have push to start. You have heated seats, dual climate controls. You have your park assist sensors, which you can turn off from here. You can let the bed down from here. The auto start stop feature. Some people may like that. Some people may not. If you don't, perfect. You can just turn it off right here, no problem. This particular seat right here, this trim package, you do have the leather seat options available in this one, which it is equipped with. And down here, as you can see, you have the Z71 logoed floor mats, the hard liner floor mats. So easy to clean, easy to keep maintained. So as you can see here, guys, this is a crew cab. You do have a 60-40 split bench back here, and there is plenty of room. If you're 6 foot and above, you would have plenty of leg room back here, and you can lift the seats up as well for additional storage up underneath each seat for stow and go and easy access. Overall, I think this is a really nice interior. It's been very well redesigned, and I couldn't ask for a better interior or an overall truck.